Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about an interesting expression which is often used in Chinese people's daily life. That is affirmative-negative question. In Chinese is 正反问句. Maybe some of you will feel confused. What's that? Let's see some examples first. 是不是? 来不来? 看不看? 走不走? 吃不吃? See the similarities of them? Yes, in this kind of interactive sentence, they have a common structure. That is, 微不微. 微 here represents for a verb. 不微 is its negative form. Usually used the Chinese character 不 or 没. So, 微不微 and 微没微. This way of expressions often appears in daily life. For example, 你吃不吃苹果? 你吃不吃苹果? Its meaning is the same as 你吃苹果吗? 你吃苹果吗? That is, do you want to have an apple? Next, 你做没做饭? Its meaning also equal to 你做饭了吗? So someone will ask, what's the difference between the two sentence structures? 微不微 and 微没微. 你做没做饭 and 你做不做饭. 做没做 here actually means maybe you have cooked the dinner. I'd like to confirm whether you have done it or not. That is 做没做. Use may here, 也就是可能做饭这个事情你已经做了，我只是过来确认一下你究竟做还是没做这件事情。But 做不做 is just a simple question. That means, do you want to cook or not? So that's the difference between 做没做 and 做不做. In a similar way, 吃没吃and 吃不吃, what's the difference? 吃没吃 actually means maybe you have eaten, but I'd like to confirm. So use may, 吃没吃. 吃不吃 is just a simple question to ask for an attitude. Eat or not. So use 不, 吃不吃. The two structures, 微不微 and 微没微, are often used in daily conversation. For examples, 作业交不交? 作业交不交 means handing in the homework or not. 作业交没交 means have you handed in your homework yet? Want to confirm. Or potential meanings is that maybe it's a time for you to hand in your homework. Very interesting, right? Just one Chinese character change. The meaning changed. So choose the proper way that you want to express in a conversation. So the basic structure in a sentence is the subject and the verb and 不 or 没 and the verb and object. For example, 你看不看电视? 你看不看电视 means do you want to watch TV or not? Something like this. So you got it? Even if it's a question, the intonations falls gradually after the stress. The affirmative part is stressed, and the negative part is unstressed. In this sentence is that the first 看 is stressed, and 不看, please read fast, and then the intonations falls gradually. That is how to speak this sentence 你看不看电视 properly. So today our video is about some interesting expressions like 微不微 or 微没微 in Chinese. These structures are often used in Chinese daily conversation, so you got it? Today our video is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye!